Thank you for coming back. So right now I am glittering this painted sanded painted tumbler with money back from, excuse me, oh Lord, money bags from Glitter Heart Co. I'm applying the glitter. I don't even know what I applied it with, but it didn't work out for me, and I was, trying new things, but if it's not broke, don't fix it. So I did have to go in and coat this tumbler again with, I want to say I used spray paint. I want to say I used clear gloss sealer, but I think I waited too long. I think I was doing too much at this time. But anyway, this tumbler is everything, y'all. Like, oh my gosh, I love this tumbler. But you gonna find out on my channel that I love pink, I love a houndstooth, and I love glitter. Like a houndstooth print, oh my god, chef's kiss. I remember like, I think I was like 6, and my mom had these houndstooth black and white boots, and I used to put them on, sneak and put them on, and walk around her room with them. Oh my gosh, y'all. I just love a houndstooth. It's just so, oh, it gets me going, y'all. I just love it. So see, see right there. I'm applying more glitter. Yeah. I'm not a big fan of peekaboos, but this design really got me on the peekaboo train. I went on Creative Fabrica and found a Houndstooth SVG, and I went ahead and cut it out. I measured my tumbler. This is a 30-ounce tumbler from Stainless Steel Depot, and it was a little, was it too big? My vinyl definitely overlapped, but that was fine with this kind of design. So the link to the file will be in the description box below. Go ahead and get you a Creative Fabrica account for $4.99. Let's go. But are y'all in the holiday season? I'm in the holiday season, but I'm halfway out. Like, it's just, I don't know. This year has been, whoo, child. I'm still here though, so I ain't gonna complain. You know what I'm saying? But everybody not here. So I messed up. Did I mess up? I did mess up because I had to yep, see, there you go. I had to place it down myself. So just be careful when y'all are doing these peekaboos with stuff like this. But you would definitely see this print again on my channel a different way. When I was looking at the tumbler, I was like, dang, I could have used double-sided tape, the sheets. I'm just trying some different ways because I love me a houndstooth, so this print will be coming back on my channel. I did have I struggled with this tumbler a little bit. So my second attempt doing this tumbler, but the good thing about it was the green glitter was already on epoxy. Already epoxy. So all I did was take the gold glitter off and came up with a new method to apply the gold glitter. My transfer tape is from Walmart. The big roll. I want to say this is lamination paper. I want to say it is, because one time when I was doing a shirt and I put it, like, I will put transfer tape over my printable vinyl to, like, so it won't just fly off the shirt. And I heat it, because normally I would heat it. This is all off subject, y'all. But anyway, I would heat it, like I would heat press the printable vinyl with the transfer tape on top of it. And that thing stuck to my shirt, y'all. I read the back of it. It was like limited. I was like, yo, what? The one that I used to use, Walmart don't sell no more. So hey, but I don't do shirts anymore, so I really don't care. I placed it on the tumbler. I did the hinge method. I made sure that it would line up, and I kept checking it. That's why I keep going out of frame. And I knew, see, look, it's overlapping. I knew that I wanted some space at the bottom and the top. So, this template is not exact if you don't want to leave any space. And if I remember, I will leave the dimensions down in the description box also. So I spray painted it gold. I'm going in with Tack It, and I'm gonna go in with High Maintenance from Glitter Hardco. Now let me tell you something about this glitter. It be giving me life, y'all. Like, they know what they be doing. High Maintenance is such a pretty gold color. It's just, I can't explain it. You need to go get it. Go get it, and then comment me and tell me how much you love this color. So I waited for the Tack It to get clear, and I applied the glitter, and I'm going in with the Tack It method. So I'm gonna burnish the glitter down, and I did this twice because the Tack It that I was using was had water in it, so all of this I just need to do it twice. Okay. There's nothing wrong with doing 2 coats of anything. Unless it's epoxy is tacky. Go ahead and burn it, sand it down, and so you won't feel no more tack, and put another coat on it. And let me say this, y'all, because I've been in these groups on Facebook or whatever, and these people telling these people that they don't have to use respirators for epoxy. Please don't listen to them. Go check with your doctor, because your lungs gonna be messed up, and they the reason why, and you not on a medical insurance. Don't be listening to these people. Please use a respirator when you're dealing with epoxy. Use your proper PPE gear when you're dealing with epoxy. Don't be listening to them. That's one of the main reasons why there's a certain company that I do not buy from anymore, because they are giving out misinformation. I will never buy their glitter again. Never say never, but they would never get my money. But I'm gonna use the glitter that I have there, so, because we ain't wasting none over here. You see that little spot? See, that's why I need to do it again. So I went ahead and did that. This took 2 coats of epoxy. It was 30 ml. So right now I'm gonna go in with a water slide the image I got from Creative Fabrica. When I was thinking about this tumbler, I was just thinking about an ugly sweater. Not saying that Houndstooth is ugly, but I was just thinking about an ugly sweater and what would you put on the sweater, and that's the look that I was going for. So this is what I did. The water slide that I used will be in the description box also. I printed it with my HP printer. I sprayed it 3 times with Rust-Oleum 2-time clear coat, and I set it in water. Now, this water is not from the tap. This water is from the water bottle. I don't know if it makes a difference. I just feel more secure with going with bottled water than water in my tap. I don't know. I don't want that to mess up. Everybody water not the same, so that's why I did what I did. And I did go in and spray my tumbler with a little white spot, so my water slide can show up. As you can see, the same colors that's on the cup is the same colors that's in the decal. And I just knew it wasn't going to show up. So I was like, let me go ahead and spray paint this tumbler. And this water slide is 4 inches. This is a 30-ounce cup. So, yeah. Did that. This took another 2 coats. And I did do the bottom. I spray painted it green. And that was it. Make sure you get all the water out your water slide. Just pressing all the water out. And that's it, guys. We done. I'm going to let you enjoy these pictures and the rest of the video.